Hello there. If your search suggestions are getting cluttered or you simply want more privacy while using X, formerly Twitter, clearing your search history is a quick and easy solution. Removing old searches can help keep your account organized and prevent previously searched topics, accounts, hashtags, or keywords from appearing in your search suggestions. Step 1. Launch the X app on your Android or iPhone. Once the app opens, look at the bottom navigation menu and tap the search icon, the magnifying glass symbol. Step 2. At the top of the screen, tap inside the search bar. This will display a list of your recent searches, including accounts, topics, hashtags, and keywords you have searched for in the past. Step 3. In the upper right corner of the recent searches section, tap the X icon. A confirmation message will appear asking whether you want to clear your search history. Step 4. Tap Clear to confirm. X will immediately remove your stored search history from the app. After clearing it, your previous searches will no longer appear when you tap the search bar. If you only want to remove specific searches instead of clearing everything, you can tap the small X next to an individual search entry and delete it without affecting the rest of your history. Your X search history is now cleared, giving you a cleaner and more private search experience.